Right here in this video, I will show you how you can get a $6,000 free Profim account. And I want you to know that this particular account is not a competition account. It is a real Profim account, and I will show you how you can get it totally for free. Alright, but before I proceed, welcome to my YouTube channel, and please ensure you subscribe to this YouTube channel. You also like this particular video, and most importantly, ensure you join my Telegram channel, which is this particular channel right here. And to do that is very simple. You just have to do is to use the link in the description to join my Telegram channel. Alright, so just use the link in the description to join my Telegram channel. And also, to get this particular free $6,000 Profim account, check the description. You'll find the link that will lead you to my Telegram channel right there. And in my Telegram channel is where you get the link to get this particular Profim. And like I usually say, I drop this update first on my Telegram so that my Telegram community can get it first before coming to YouTube. So it will be best for you to just join my Telegram community. Alright, so let's just dive right into how you can get this particular 6,000 Profim account. Alright, so like I said, the link will be in the description of this video, but it's going to take you first to my Telegram channel. Alright, so as you can see right here, the account size is $6,000, as you can see shown on the screen, and the entry cost is $0. As you can see, no deposit, no evaluation fee, and no hidden charges to claim this free $6,000 offer. Right, and as you can see, the trading platform is MT5. Alright, as you can see right here, the profit split is up to 90% profit split. Alright, as you can see, this is all you need to know about the terms and condition for this no deposit bonus. And as you can see right here, to get it, it's just simple and straightforward, and I'll be showing you right here in this video. Now, to get this particular account, you just have to follow 5 simple steps, as you can see right here showing on the screen. The step 1 is to download the app and leave a 5-star rating review. Alright, so to download the app, just click on this right here, click on this either Apple Store or Google Play Store and download the app. Alright, and so the next thing for you to do after downloading the app and dropping a review is to go to the Trustpilot, click on the Trustpilot right here, and it is going to direct you to their Trustpilot account, which is this right here, and you just have to write a review for them and drop a 5-star review as well. Alright, as you can see right here, just drop a 5-star review and drop a review for them. Alright, so as you can see right here, my review has been dropped successfully. Alright, as you can see, it is currently pending. Alright, so just head over back to their platform to know the next step you need to take. Alright, so as you can see right here, the next step you need to take is to make a short video about your pips, create it, and then post it either on Facebook or any of your social media. And then the next thing for you to do, as you can see, this particular one is optional. As you can see showing right here, it is optional. So that means you can get this particular account without doing this one, without creating a video about them. But the rest is a must. You must do them. Alright, so the next thing for you to do right now is to head over to their Discord server. As you can see right here, join their Discord and post this particular message in the 6,000 funded with both reviews and screenshots and option public video link. Alright, I'll show you how you can do this right now. Alright, so the first thing you have to do is to ensure you take a screenshot of your review concerning this on their Play Store or App Store when you download their app, and then take a screenshot of your 5-star review on Trustpilot as well, and then copy this particular text right here and then click on join this right here. After clicking on join, you wait patiently for it to load. Alright, so after loading, as you can see right here, just click on accept invite right here and you wait patiently for it to load. Alright, so you just move to their platform, and then you look for the $6,000 funded account, which is this right here. As you can see, right, click on it, and after clicking on it, then you post the review right here. Alright, you post the screenshots. After posting the screenshot, then you paste this right here, post the screenshots, and then you paste this right here, and then you click send button. Alright, you click on the send button, and after sending it, then you can go back to their platform, and after that, then after that you can move to the next step, which is admin verification and $6,000 account received. Alright, so As you can see right here, the YoPips admin team verifies your screenshot typically within 1 hour to 48 hours and issue your free $6,000 trading account MT5 credentials by email, which means after reviewing that everything you did was correct and it is right, they are going to issue your account details to you use to create an account with them. Right. So to create an account with them, ensure you create an account with them. It's either you create an account, or if you have an account with them already, you can log in. Right. So this is a simple way by which you can get this particular $6,000 free profile account. All right. So I hope you've been able to get yours. I hope you know the ways by which you can use to get your particular account. All right. And if not, ensure you watch this video carefully. Ensure you watch it carefully. And if you have any question, just try to reach out to me in my Telegram community. I'll be glad to help you. All right. So thank you so much for watching and have a nice day.